My name's Nick, and today we're going to be building MGB GT top assembly for the rear wing to start with. And there's two components. First one goes in. Clamped into place. Second one clamped into place. Now I have to put some pressure onto the joint. With a chisel, just making sure all the joints are together properly. Now I need to weld this together. Right, that's the first process done. Now to take this over and get it straightened. It's the bottom part of the wing. You need to pierce holes into it. So it goes into this jig, clamped in, everything in the right place. Now we have holes in. On to the next section. The next set is to put it into this into the clamps here. This is for knocking over parts of the panel that are going to be welded to the next, in the next section. There's a tab at the top here that needs knocking down. And that's everything that needs doing at that end. Clamp this end. And with an air hammer, just going to knock the return over on this end at the bottom as well. This is where we've air hammered over. And on the other end is just that tab which we'll use to weld together at the later date. That's that section. This is the capping strip that we need to spot weld into place. I need to clamp it to start off with. Now spot weld it into place. This is the part I made earlier. As you see, it's all been straightened, so we can now go into the jig. A pair of clamps. Roughly get this clamped together as level as possible, but it will be adjusted at a later date. Now, forward part onto there, the backing to the tail light. This is all to be test fitted now because there will be parts that need trimming so that it all fits into place properly. Yeah, I'm just trimming off parts of the moulding to make sure that everything fits properly. Yeah. Recheck again. So that looks like a good fit. I'm going to put the clamp onto the assembly to hold these 3 panels in. Now I need to just knock the panels down to make sure that they're flush with each other. I'm going to clamp the panels together. One final check. Everything's fitting properly. Now to address the underneath of the, so level it all up. It out now, making sure not to disturb these clamps. Over to the table. Quick check, make sure everything is lining up. Now we spot it all together. Final bit on the spotting. 3 spot welds under the lighting housing. Just have a quick check. Looks good to me. Over to the next section, over the other side. The spot weld the lighting housing in. Same the other side. Four final spots. Waffling in the bottom. One. And there we have one completed GT wing ready for straightening.
And I'm just going to use a grinder to take the metal back so that this can then sit back into the cradle.